Hi, welcome back to Hypeak Extreme. Today we are in Hanley. Temperature here is around minus 14 degrees. If you are traveling in winter, if you are traveling Ladakh in winter, don't forget to carry this hot bag for each and every person. Just fill the hot water inside and keep like this, and just go for sleep. It will just warm up your body and you will get a comfortable sleep. So after this, if you are exploring the whole Ladakh, you need to carry this one. It's a green tax. With this, you can explore the whole Ladakh. You don't need any special permit, nothing. Only this is enough. What the thing you have to fill is date of arrival, then departure date, then which are places you're gonna explore. All the places. As per that, the rate will be on average. The rates are 300 to 500 per person. So even Umling La Pass, including Umling La Pass, this is enough. You don't need to carry any special permit. With this, you can go. There are many rumors that you need to take special permit for Umling La Pass. Like that, nothing happened. For us, nothing happened like that. In the whole Ladakh, around 2-3 checkposts are there in different locations. There you need to show this, and in one location towards Hanley, there you need to submit this copy. So you just carry 2 to 3 copies of this. This is over. After that, if you are coming to Ladakh, where all places you want to go, as per that you can take the tariff from the Ladakhi Union. Just from the airport, you can go to Ladakhi Union taxi stand. It's about 3 kilometers from airport. From there, you can say where all you want to go. So as per that, the rates will be. From there itself, you can take a taxi and you can explore Ladakh. So this is over now. Now in Hanley, we are going now to Umling La Pass, which is the world's highest motorable road. It's about 2 hours drive from here. After that, we'll be going to observatory. Astronomical observatory is here. We'll be going there. It seems the driver and the guide is saying with us, this homestay owner is coming with us to guide us how to go to Umling La Pass. He's charging 1,000 rupees for that. If he's not coming also, the guide will be coming. He'll arrange for that. Even he will charge 1,000 rupees for that. The hotel owner said it seems it's snowing in Umling La Pass, on the way in Umling La Pass. So we'll go. If it's snowing, we'll return back. We won't be able to go till the highest motorable road. Let's see what happens. I'll show you the room and then I'll show you the outside view also. This is the room, and as usual in bathroom no water is coming, so they'll provide you a hot water. This is the dining area. I'll show you outside how it is. See the view how it is. Observatory from this hotel is around half a kilometer only. The hotel name is Kelsang Homestay. Here the number is provided. You can see that. This is November 1st week and the situation is like this now. Okay, now we'll see whether we are able to explore Umling La Pass or not. The online permit which I said you can take it online also. I'll give the link in the description. Whereas you can come to Leh and also take it. And in the homestay they charge around 1,000 rupees per person, including breakfast and dinner. So now let's move to Umling La. From here more 1.5 hours to go to reach Umling La Pass. This is the view and this is the route to go. You can see the view how it is. It's fully covered with snow. Nobody's here, only we are here. The vehicle gone stuck. Our driver is trying to removing it. Let's see what happens. This is the way you need to go like this.
How?
This is the way. Again our vehicle gone stuck. Our driver and the guide both are analyzing how to take the car from here. Let's see what happens. Shit.
तो मुश्किल है अभी देखिए मुश्किल है थोड़ा जाके आएंगे
How long have you stuck here?
Half an hour.
What's the problem?
The vehicle is not moving forward. It's getting slippery. Let's see what happens. We are putting chains in the wheels. You can see that. You can see the road how it is. About 1 feet of snow is here. If you are coming in winter to this place, like Umningla Pass, definitely bring a guide and come, or else you'll be facing a lot of difficulties. If it's a summer, then it's no, that is okay. You can come into two bike. I mean, you can come in bikes also. They are kept some boats also. Like you need to go cross the Chipsul village. It's 30 kilometers from there. They kept the boat so you can follow that and you can keep going. And in winter, definitely bring a guide, or else you'll be facing a lot of difficulties.
ड्राई आइस है ना भैया कि नीचे हाँ नीचे बहुत ड्राई आइस है ना
फ्रीजर है
हाँ प्लीज वही भाई
अभी देखो जम रहा है मेरा हाथ भी
We are at the Nurmula top, 17,328 feet. More 1 hour to go from here, 1 to 1.5 hours to go from here. 1 to 1.5 feet snow is here. Here. This way deep it goes.
यार उमलुम की तरह भी कुछ मोबाइल में बना तो बोलो आप ये है उमलुम वाला वेलकम टू ओल्ड हाईएस्ट मोटर नाम तो नहीं लिखा है इसमें चलो
First view of Umlingla. It's over there. So let's move now. What happens, we'll see whether we are able to go or not. Already here snow is about 1 feet snow is here.
बस इधर चेन लगाएंगे बस कुछ कुछ नहीं
Some more to go this way, then that side. We are gonna reach the top. You can see the view. Full road is covered with snow. Again, we are putting chains in the wheels. We are now at higher than Everest base camp, and Umlingla passes. There it is, but unfortunately we are not heading there because our vehicle is not supporting. The road is full of snow. It's written here, you are now on the higher than Everest base camp. Now we are heading back. Already we are late, it's around 5 p.m. We need to reach back. I show you the vehicle. We put chains also in the wheel, but even though it's not supporting, see, we put the chains also, even though it's not supporting. We went till there. After that the vehicle didn't go forward, so we're now heading back. Even this is also Umlingla only, so almost we reached it, but we didn't reach near the board where it is written as you are now on the world's highest motorable road. There, that point we are not able to reach. That's it. Only it is very near to that. That's it. Anyways, now we are heading back to Hanle. We'll meet you after reaching Hanle. Temperature is around minus 20 or 22 degrees.
Look at my eyelashes, they are frozen.
When we were so young, I could never see forever.
In the evening, what happens is after 6 p.m. this dome gets opened. From that they watch it remotely from Bangalore. They are observing the stars.